Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to screen mirror your iPhone to your TCL 32V5C TV. So on this TV, there is no direct option to screencast your iPhone, but there are some external applications that handle it well, and I'm gonna show you how to use them on your TV. But first of all, make sure that your TV and your iPhone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So on your TV, navigate to Settings, then go to Network and Internet. Make sure that your TV is connected to the Wi-Fi, and make sure that some Wi-Fi has a connected status next to it. And on your iPhone, swipe down the control center and check whether the network that your TV is connected to is the same one that your iPhone is. And alternatively, you can just connect your TV to your iPhone's portable hotspot if you don't have a Wi-Fi around. And after that, we're gonna need to download and install an application called AirScreen. We can install it right from Google Play Store. So open Google Play Store in your apps menu. Then let's navigate to search field. Let's open it, and here input Air. I think that's enough. Let's search, and one of the first results you will see on your TV screen is the AirScreen. So just tap on this option, then select install and wait until this application is installed on your TV. Once the app is installed, open it. Then select continue. We already did this step, so we don't need to worry about it. Just press OK. Let's grant the app the permission to use location. Select grant, then select while using the app. Then select confirm, and then you have to connect your iPhone to your TV either by entering this address into the path field in your iPhone's browser. Or you can just scan this QR code you see on the screen using your iPhone's camera. I'm gonna do this because I find it more convenient. So once you scan the QR code, just tap on the yellow pop-up you see on your iPhone screen. Then your iPhone will open this web page, and then the respective page will open on your TV screen. Now, if there are some other casting apps, even the default ones, that this app detects on your TV, you'll see this notification. In such case, select force start, then wait for a moment, and then let's give it some additional permissions. Select change settings, then you will see the apps list on the sidebar. Most probably you will not see your app in here for like half a minute, so just wait for a little bit. All apps will eventually load on the sidebar. Then once you see the AirScreen application here, switch the toggle to the right next to it, and right now you can cast your iPhone screen. To do so, you just have to swipe down the control center on your iPhone, and then tap on the screen mirror option, screen mirror tile you see right here. It looks like two rectangulars on top of each other. Just tap on it, and you will see your TV on the list. Just tap on it, and then you're gonna have to wait for a while, and eventually the screen mirror will begin. And now everything that happens on your iPhone screen will be casted to your TV. You can of course cast any application from here. You can play them in you can play videos in full screen mode, except for well, it's gonna take a moment, the loading process whenever you start casting a video. You cannot control your media on the TV unless you buy the premium version of this app, but you can perfectly do everything with your remote control, so don't worry about it. And yeah, that's basically it. Now to stop casting, of course, you just have to tap on uh, the screen mirror icon wherever you can see it on your iPhone. You can just swipe down the control center, then tap on the screen mirror icon right here and select stop mirroring, or just switch to your iPhone instead. And this will stop the mirroring, the screen mirroring process. So that's how you screen mirror your iPhone to your TV. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.